show. Today I went to Izzy's Catering and I got me this lobster tail with shrimp, rice, vegetables, and all these delicious dipping sauces. Look at that, food freaks. A lobster tail cut open with some shrimp inside. I can't wait to dig in. Now let's dig in, shall we? I've been watching so many mukbangs with lobster. I've been craving lobster for a long time from all these mukbangs, and I can't believe I'm actually trying it. My first time ever. But I'm gonna go ahead and try these shrimps first. We're gonna save the best for last. So good. Let's go ahead and try the lobster, because that's like the big thing on this place. Lobster. First time ever. So here it is. My shrimp tail with lobster. Here's my lobster. Let's go ahead and try some of these dipping sauce. Let's go ahead and try this butter. So good. This lobster is so delicious. It tastes a lot like shrimp, but softer. And it has a more delicious twist to it. But nevertheless, it's delicious. Let's go ahead and try this dipping sauce that we have here. It's kind of spicy, so good. Here's our lobster. I'm gonna go ahead and try every dipping sauce that they got. I'll let you guys know which one's my favorite to go with the shrimp. I'm really digging this one. That buttery was too buttery for me. I like my sauces more watery, like this. Go ahead and try this. I think this is mustard. It's good. And then we have this chili sauce. Here's our lobster. Just dip it in. It smells like soy sauce. Very salty. So this is my favorite sauce out of all of them. Guess I'll be dipping my lobster into this sauce. So good. I'm gonna move on to the rice. It even has chicken, guys. Our veggies have zucchinis and onion. That's all I see in these veggies. Zucchinis and onion. So good. My favorite. Delicious. Shrimp. Some lobster. So good. Look at all that lobster. Yummy. So good. I'm really digging their dipping sauce. We're gonna go ahead and try my agua fresca. I got this at El Super and I got me the sandia flavor. So good. This is just like fresh watermelon. I even got a bits of watermelon pieces in there. So we know it's not powder, I hope. I hope you're not selling me powder when I purchase an agua fresca out there, all you vendors. Because I'll be really disappointed. But hey, you gotta make your money somehow, right? As long as no one's complaining, it's all good. But for the price, better be worth it, right? I was so sad. I was supposed to get noodles with my lobster, but they forgot to add my noodles. But that's okay. We got our lobster, our rice, and our veggies. So good. Looks like I'm almost done with one of my lobster tails. So good, food freaks. First time ever lobster. Yummy. I think I'll be having lobster more often. Nice and soft. Melts right in my mouth. Shrimp on the lobster, yummy. You gotta love it. So good. This plate is just fabulous. The combination is just so good. My whole dish is nice and flavorful. Yummy. So there you have it, food freaks. A delicious shrimp lobster. You gotta love it. That's it for today, food freaks. Till next time we eat again, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye.